welcome back to our channel Life Review. My name is Deb and today we'll be doing the unboxing of a very interesting item here. As you can see, this is a spoon, but you might be wondering why we're doing an unboxing of a spoon in a tech channel. So this is made of titanium, so that's the reason. Of course, there is no electronic part in this one, but I just wanted to show you a very interesting product, so let me tell you why. So this is the NEXTOOL, and as you can see, this looks like a spoon, but this also has fork in it. And this is made in China. NEXTOOL titanium cutlery set. So this is titanium, very lightweight and very strong. So okay, let me just go inside here. Made in China, of course, because it's all written in China. Okay, so how to operate it, how to take it out, and how to put this in. Okay, so you will not be able to get this from Amazon. I got this from a site called Unique Bud, and I got this for around 1000. So I would have to say, for titanium products are very expensive, especially in India. I would say 1000 for both a spoon and a fork is quite reasonable. And usually, like this, if you check in Amazon, it's like 2000-3000 rupees. So yeah, let's do the unboxing. Back in plastic, and okay, and it seems, oh, that's nice, they have given a container of this, and wow, this goes out, but why is it like this? Okay, so it locks like this, and you can open it like this, and also there is this two holes. So you can use this, you can wash this, you can put it inside, so and the water will drain out of this one. So that is very thoughtful design. Okay, now you can see titanium, very lightweight. If this was steel, it would have been very heavy. But the thing about titanium is used in aircrafts, and use it in implants. For example, in your hip, if you replace your hip joint, that will be made of titanium. These days, dental implants, the screws and all are also made of titanium. That's very neutral, and the body does not react to it. So for that reason, I got this. This is how it looks. This is inside. Okay, it seems like this is a bit tricky. Okay, it's tightly locked in place, so you'll have to just push this out and this will come out. So this is an anodized layer on top of it. That's nice. And this has a bit of a grooves. That's also nice to hold it. And I would say the design is very practical. As you can see, this is the typical titanium finish here, and NEXTOOL branding here, NEXTOOL branding here, and the spoon is a little bit heavier than this, but of course this is more, the metal is more thicker here, as you can see. So I would say very good, very heavy duty. These are very convenient to carry in camping trips compared to the steel ones. And since this is not plastic, you will not throw it away and pollute the environment. So that's nice. It's a bit expensive, but you can use this for around 10 to 20 or 30 years. So I would say that is a good investment. So that's it for today. I hope you like this video. If you do, like, share, and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Till then, stay safe and check out our latest videos. Goodbye.